This is the elevator. 100, I think, professional circle. This is called Otis Series 5. Go to 2. This is a nice one. Let's listen to the motor. Listen. This one's not the VIN resistant. Otis interlock up there. Sensors. Spin 1. We got a cab view going down. Here's your cab view. Very nice Otis Series 5, I gotta say. They did a good job with this one. We'll go back to 2 and listen to the motor again, because I want to be able to get the other buildings. These have the protruding buttons. Listen again. One. Door close works, I like that. And we're going to listen to the machine run too. Someone probably needs it, so I'll hide the camera. Listen to it. Here it is. Listen. And that's it.